If every museum in the world, those 55,000 museums, planted 10 trees each year until 2030, there would be over 5.5 million trees.
A lot of conservation is about passing things on to the next generations. We have to be able to use resources much better.
Innova Concrete is a very ambitious project about the preservation of concrete heritage. We are producing in the project a green product.
Heritage care is about the preventive conservation of cultural heritage buildings through preventive conservation.
The International Council of Museums, which I'm a chairman of the Working Group on Sustainability, has decided to align itself with the United Nations.